how to create a colour image such as this in Photoshop Beta using the black and white filter in the parametric filters. It's a new feature in the Photoshop Beta, so please check it out. Let's start with the actual original image. The key thing for this tutorial, channels. Go to the window menu and channels. Now you can't unfortunately use the parametric filters directly with the channels, but there's a workaround. What you can do, go to the channels panel and you can find that in the window menu, and then just go to the right side menu and there's an option there, split channels. So split channels, click that and it will split it into red, green and blue. Obviously if the document's an RGB document. So once you've got that, you can then go to the red channel. But to use the actual filter, parametric filter, unfortunately again, what you need to do is go to Image, Mode and RGB. Click that, and again, Image, Mode and RGB. And you need to do that with all of them. So Image, Mode and RGB. So they've all been converted back to RGB. Now you can actually use that filter effect. So parametric filters, just go to black and white and just click on that. And the reason why you can't do this is because it uses smart objects, smart filters. And you just can't use channels with that, unfortunately. And then you can manipulate this. You can change the texture. So you can just change that, maybe go left or right. You can change the brightness. But also you can go here to transform. And that was the way I got this sort of poster and splitting effect. So I'm just going to reduce the scale down a bit. You can just do that. But also you can go down here and you've got repeat options. So you can go maybe 4 and 2. You can go for 4 and 4 or whatever. And also you've got other options, luminosity as well as contrast. I'm just going to keep it basically the same. Well, once you've applied it, what you need to then do is convert it back to grayscale. So you've got this design, go here, go to layer and down to flatten image, then go to image and mode and again go to grayscale. Again, it might come up with a prompt such as discard. You can always click don't show again. So discard, and you can then go to the green and do much the same. So again, go here to the parametric filters, click black and white, and then modify the settings here. You can change the texture again, maybe brightness, scale, or again, go for repeat. And this time go for 3 and 3, say. And also change the luminosity. Once you're happy with your effect, again, go to layer and down to flatten image. Then go to image, mode, and again, put it back to grayscale. Discard. And you can do the same with the blue channel as well. Once you've got all your images back to grayscale, you can then use the channels again. Go to the channels panel and you've got here, right side menu, click there and there's an option here, merge channels. Click that, go for mode RGB, 3 channels, and then click OK. And it will come up with this prompt. Select obviously these names, these are all the names of the various files, and click OK. And there you have it. Very quick way of creating an interesting, super colourful design from ostensibly the parametric filter black and white. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.